Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Maps directly on your Apple Watch. Press the digital crown, find Maps, and tap to open. If you prefer faster input, say Hey Siri, directions to, because voice is quicker when you're moving. Make sure your iPhone is near or your watch has cellular, since Maps use location services and data. Once done, choose walking, driving, or transit to match your trip. This sets route preferences and gives accurate ETA and turn guidance. Next, refine the route so directions fit your needs. You tap the mode icon to switch between walking, driving, transit, or cycling. This changes the route and ETA. If alternatives exist, swipe up or press firmly to reveal route choices and select one. This avoids detours you don't want. Make sure to set departure or arrival time when planning ahead so Maps calculates traffic. Adjust avoidances like tolls or highways to tailor. When navigation begins, follow the watch's haptic taps and on-screen turn arrows. You'll get concise prompts so you can keep your eyes up. Tap Start to enter turn-by-turn guidance, and make sure your watch face stays visible. Raise to wake or tap to glance at the next instruction. If guidance pauses or location drifts, force close and reopen Maps, check Bluetooth and location permission, or toggle airplane mode off then on. This usually restores GPS and data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.